I knew this would happen. Remember that video of the BBL Puerto Rican elementary art teacher in Jersey? She went viral and garnered about 1 million followers on IG, mostly men supporting her, but then she had some females who supported her as well, saying they saw nothing wrong with going to get an adult star body just to go take BBL pictures in the classroom with elementary kids. I don't know, maybe I should remind some of you. I know a lot of teachers, and teachers, they get BBLs too. But when they're at school, most of them don't dress like this. And they also don't take booty pictures in the classroom. Like, what in the kindergarten magic city is going on? All I gotta say is all the people supporting stuff like this going on, and even that Buss'd rapper all at the high school pep rally, y'all are gonna have to keep that same energy. There's gonna be a day coming really soon. You're gonna have a Saucy Santana busting his bop tart all in front of your boys. And I want every last one of you to keep that same energy, that nonchalant, I don't care, it's no big deal attitude that's condoning all of this mess. One day it's going to be a man in there teaching them, who's going to be halfway transitioning to a woman. And yet he's going to be teaching your kindergarten art class. He's going to have a BBL, implants, and still have his male organs. But he won't tuck them. He's going to leave it all out. So yeah, remember all the indecency that you support, because this is going to be the next level rollout. You're being tested now with these 304s. Yeah, I told y'all I was not supportive of that mess and she was out of order. I said if you support her, then you're going to also have to support transgenderellas as well. Well, here's the day. I hate to say I told you so, but I told y'all this was going to happen. Take a second to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Click the notification bell for all updates. Drop Canada below in the comments if you're watching from Canada. All the Canadians, I need y'all to let me know what's going on up there. It's like they're up there fast tracking what's to come down here, because you know we got some teachers in the US that will be following this as well. I've had a few videos here in my Cooking Thought Pockets for Lunch series. The New Jersey BBL art teacher was one of them. Had the rapper that was at the Atlanta high school busting it for the whole football team. And even the 304 that turned the nursing home into Magic City. In every last one of those videos, I mentioned that all of you folks who did not see anything wrong with what was going on, a day would come like this. I'm talking about a day where a man transitioning into a woman will be at your kid's school doing exactly what you supported those 304s doing. Now look what we have here. There's a teacher in Ontario. He was a mister to the students a year ago, and now he's turned into Miss Kayla. Miss Kayla is a manufacturing technology teacher at a high school up there. They're teaching all the high school boys how to work the wood in the wood class, building all kinds of stuff while dressing up in short skirts and short shorts and this extremely large fake top. They didn't even put on a real bra to cover up. This is how they came to work. The very large prosthetics is stretching their clothing, causing their parts to poke out prominently. This is all done on purpose. Some parents called up to the school complaining, and some kids are skipping class. The district school board defended the teacher, released a statement about how good of a teacher they are. And then the school board saying y'all people on the internet and you commentators can leave them alone because they happen to be a really effective teacher and the boys at the school, they're doing just fine. And by the way, the whole pronoun thing, it takes some getting used to. You know, it's the boys at the school who took the pictures of it and posted them on social media. And from there, that's where most of the backlash is coming from. Just like the BBL art teacher in New Jersey. Remember, she said the women supported her at school, the parents and everybody, they loved her. And even went as far as saying that most of her backlash, it came from men who she said was hating on her online. Well, that's the same for the woodshop teacher in Canada. They believe most of the backlash is coming from online after those pictures went viral. You know, pictures showing them in the classroom bending over, cutting wood with fake body parts hanging down to his belly button. The school board defended the teacher, saying it was a personnel matter, and interfering or criticizing the teacher will go against the Ontario Human Rights Code. For the student, staff, and parents with a problem, tough luck, you're going to have to accept it, because the school board is saying they have the right to express their identity and gender. And yeah, he can be she, cool. But what about the dress code? What part of being a woman now allows you to walk around in short skirts and no bra at school? Oh yeah, you do have some schools out there where they allow female teachers to do that. So I guess the chickens are coming home to roost. The media found one 12th grade boy who was okay with the teacher. He said, quote, "I'm okay with it. I know some of my friends are a little uncomfortable with it, but I think she should be able to express herself however she wants to." A mother of one of the students also told reporters that she's okay with Miss Kayla now being a woman, but the large prosthetics was just too much. She told reporters that she has concerns about the teacher wearing those in the classroom. All right, so the boy students, they took the pictures, they put it out on social media. Those pictures went viral over the weekend, so the school, they prepared for a protest on Monday, but no one showed up to protest, besides one person waving a Canadian flag. The loud backlash, though, is really coming from social media. I've seen a lot of women who did not agree with this, and I'm just wondering if anybody who didn't agree with this, should they too be called haters? Like, I know I called it, but I'm still in shock. You got Miss Kayla up here wiggling in front of them boys. You heard one of them say a lot of his friends are uncomfortable. Of course, these are young teenage boys. Some of them may end up confused by this. And all I gotta say for everybody is keep that same energy. If you accept these 304s doing it and say you wish you had that at school, TI, you gotta accept these transgenderellas as well. You can't accept one and not accept the other. Yeah, and if you didn't accept the art teacher or Erica Banks busting it for the football team, then it's fair if you didn't accept this teacher as well. You know, they say you can't discriminate against they, them, or anybody else. You have to be fair. I know some of you may say, well, no, the art teacher is a natural woman. I would argue the art teacher was a woman, but her body was sculpted by a surgeon. And Miss Kayla is really no different. You know, they just sculpted his own body. In my opinion, is Miss Kayla out of order? Well, yes. Miss Kayla, you are out of order. Just like the art lady teacher, you are out of order too. 1, you know you're supposed to put a bra on. 2, you're wearing a rubber top, so it's not even real. Why did you have to make them so big? And then why are your shorts and your skirts so short? Nah, I don't condone female 304s, so I'm not going to condone you doing this either at work. Why are you coming to work looking like this? If you want to wear those little clothes and run around without a bra, you need to just start an OnlyFans. But why would you go in the classroom like that, trying to turn on teenage boys? Oh yeah, you're only doing what some of those 304 female teachers have been doing for years. And I guess since we didn't have anything to say about them, we can't say much about you either, huh? I don't know, this is all just crazy. Let's go ahead and get the conversation started below. For the ones who didn't get it before, do you get it now? Is Miss Kayla out of order, or is everyone just hating on them or they? Go ahead and sound off below. Don't forget that you can support this channel as well. Links to Cash App and PayPal are below. Ladies, fellas, want a balanced analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.